How to trade spreads on IG trading. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you an IG trading tutorial, how to trade spreads on IG trading application. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will simply open up IG application on your mobile phone. You can download the application on your Android phone or on your Apple phone. So it's available and you just download the application. You can see this is what it looks like, IG trading. So I'm just gonna click on it and open it up. So it will take me to my main dashboard, to my watch list right here. Now, if you do not have an account on IG Trading, what you guys need to do is you can create an account with your email address and then, add your phone number, add your information, and you will have your account. Now, today I will focus on spread trading using IG, and I'll show you how we use it. So this is like our main application, and you will see we have different options given at the bottom. We have markets. Here I will be able to see indices, FX, and crypto as well. And I can customize my search by selecting just FX, just indices, or shares, or cryptocurrencies. So you will be able to find all of these different stocks right here. Before we begin the video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, trading in indices, FX, and everything involves high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand trading and then you can get started. This is going to be a tutorial for you guys about the platform. That being said, let's continue. So here we are at IG spread, and I can just go to the trading option and it will take me to my trading. Then I'm gonna go to news and it will show me the news, and then we have account. And this is where we get the spread option. So you will find the spread bet right here. You can see we have funds available, running, and margin. And then we have spread bet option, where I can also see my add fund or withdraw option. If you click on the search option right here, it will allow you to search from any of the different assets available. We have indices, FX, cryptocurrencies, shares, commodities, bonds, and rates, ETFs, and different options. So what I can do now is I can select the one I want to go for. So I personally go for crypto, and I'm going to just select it. And then we're going to select the coin that we want to. You can see we have different coins available. We have Ethereum, Bitcoin, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Uniswap, Cardano, Chainlink, Polkadot, Bitcoin, and NEO. Similarly, if I go back and if I select indices, we have all of the indices available: World Art, US 50, Australia 200, Japan 225. Like, you can find all of these and scroll down and they're all here. But if you want to search a specific one, you can just type in the search bar. Let me show you FX as well quickly. If these are FX, these are going to be all the FX. You just scroll down and select the one you want to. Similarly, we have commodities available. All of them are available. You just scroll down and select. Then we have ETFs. I also go for ETFs, and you can see we have all of these available, such as Triple Q, we have Vanguard, we have United States Natural Gas, right? Then we have ProShares, we have Vanguard S&P, ARK, Consumer Staples, and then we have Vanguard Energy ETFs. So all of these ETFs are available too. So for now, I'm going to go for crypto, and I'm going to select Bitcoin. So once you select any of the assets, it will take you to the buy and sell option. And what I can do is I can just click on it and it will open up the market details for me. And this is where I will be able to get all the information I need. You can see right here that we have our change, we have our high, low, currency, and updated. So it's updated every second. So the highest was 247 and the low was 237, almost a difference of 10 right here. And this is the view right here. I can expand it and get a better view to like on my window, like on my screen, and I will be able to kind of like just zoom in or zoom out into it. So I'm just gonna like keep it right here. Now you can see I'm getting a better view into it, and then we get the sell and buy option right here. So you can just open up any the graph and get more details. Green is going to be positive, red is going to be negative. I'm just gonna go back to my market details right here. We have new trade option, we have new order, set alert, news, market data, market info. This news is specific about the one that I have selected. So what I can do now is I'm just going to go to the option again and I'm going to click on sell. So if you click on sell and if you click on buy, it will take you to the buy and sell option for the spread, and you will be able to buy and sell. Let's go back, and if you want to deposit funds, let's say you want to deposit funds first, you can just go back to the spread right here and click on add funds. It will allow you to add funds here. Then we have withdraw option, and I can just click on withdraw and it will allow me to withdraw as well. And I will be able to check the total funds, the total available balance, the running PAN and margin right here at the top of my screen. Moving on, if I just scroll down again, it's just like IG application, and I can get more information about the application right here. We have like manage account, trade analytics, we have history, we have alerts, transfer funds, and more. So this is how it works, and we also are getting an economic calendar right here, and it shows us different this is like an economic calendar, and I can just add company earnings or macroeconomic events, and it will show me what happened on what date. So this is also a pretty cool option that we get on IG application and on app. So you can just download the app. Again, the app is available on Android and it is also available on Apple. So downloading the app is really easy, and you just create your account. Make sure you also verify your account to avail all of the different features where you will be able to buy, sell, trade, add funds, and withdraw. So for that, you will have to activate your account as well by verifying your nationality and by verifying your information that you have added. So once you do that, you will get more features into it. But I'm showing you how to actually do it and how you will use it. We can also get the view that we got from Spreadbread directly. And what I can do is I can just like open it up from here, and it will again take me to the same graph right here. And I can just check the change for this one. High, low, updated, currency is given. Currency is according to the country that you're living in and the country that you have added. Keep that in mind. Then we have new trade. Again, I'm telling you, you just go to new trade and it gives you more and more options. New order, set alert. So what we can do is we can also set alert on IG trading app, and what we can get is I can get notified according to different reminders, and I can add reminders myself. What I can do is I can add a reminder for maybe notify me when it's low, and when it's lower I'm gonna buy it. That's the automation that I can add. Similarly, what I can do is I can just add like sell when it's higher. So that's the kind of automation that we create with IG, and it's available. It's actually a very unique thing that I've seen. It's not available on most of the trading apps, but it's available on IG. That's pretty impressive. And again, we have market data and market information here. So it depends on you what kind of index you want to go for, what FX. Make sure that you truly understand how it works, and then you can get started. This video is not a financial advice. I'm not suggesting to go for a specific index or FX or crypto. I'm just giving you a platform on IG trading app, and I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you understand how to use it and how you can trade and how you can do spread trading on IG app. Get more information, download the application right now, which is IG trading, and start trading by creating your account right now. You will be able to find all of the famous cryptos, all of the indices, all of the FX on the application. Go ahead and check it out right now. Even in the account, you will get a lot of different options. The application works really well and has all the right features and tools we need for our trading. So yeah guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.